Can't make it to Houston for SSP24? No problem. How about we connect you to Houston? Live.
Designed for those hungry for knowledge, our online space lecture series will bring the 2024 Space Studies program to your living room.
Featuring 55 multidisciplinary lectures delivered by world-renowned space experts from space policy and law to space engineering and life sciences. International Space University's online space lecture series, linked to Space Studies Program 2024, will offer you a comprehensive exploration of the space domain. Not only will you attend these lectures live and learn from world-renowned experts firsthand, but also have the chance to ask your questions and network with fellow enthusiasts, all from the comfort of your own space.
If you cannot make it to SSP24, we will bring SSP24 to you. Enroll now at isunet.edu/digital-education and embark on your journey to the stars with ISU's online space lecture series.